More than simply saving data, finding data when and where you need it has become a growing problem. In addition to traditional PCs and notebooks, users are saving data on cell phones, PDI and other mass storage tools, complicating instead of simplifying their lives. But help is on the way with MemoPal, illustrated by Marco Trombetti, CEO.
MemoPal provides online backup and online storage solutions. Simply said, we transfer your data from your PC to a server on the Internet. You can change your data or PC as many times as you like, but all your stuff will always be in the same place and protected. Just click to share your stuff with co-workers or friends. It's that simple.
What are the significant differences between MemoPal and the free services offered by the big names like Google and Microsoft?
Basically, Microsoft, for example, introduced a free solution they called SkyDrive that offers 5 gigabytes. We think users need more space, so our basic offer provides 250 gigabytes. Our success is based on our new file system technology, a way to more efficiently save information, exploiting user data similarities.
How does this tool interact with business process and what impacts does it have on the single user's daily routine?
It interacts well with business processes, so much so that General Electric just chose the online backup solution for its 300,000 employees. They most probably based their choice on the cost-effect aspect, since it cost much less than other solutions and guaranteed interesting business opportunities, mainly file sharing. We believe email has become an inefficient way to send large files. If you try to send a 50 mega file, it most probably won't be delivered. But if information is already on a remote server, all we have to do is click to create a link and send it to a co-worker.
How do you guarantee user security, performance and privacy all at the same time?
Privacy is very important to us. Our market credibility lies in our ability to protect user data. We do this in various ways. The first and most important way is to encrypt information exchanged between the user and our servers. When information is written on our servers, it's also encrypted. In addition, users are anonymous. Anyone can register for our service without telling us their name. A company can purchase 1,000 or 2,000 workstations without ever telling us who has which license. Anonymity and encryptation already provide a pretty good level of protection, better than the standards offered by our mail service, if, for example, hosted by a provider. But we do even more. Instead of simply writing files to a disk, we break them apart, like hard copies, through a small paper shredder. Thus, user documents are shredded and then pieced together when needed. Any hackers who try to open somebody else's data will only find partial and encrypted information that he can't use.